بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن شاء الله أول lesson prep 2 هو درس cube root of rational numbers. Before we talk about cube root, we will talk about sets. Number 1, we talk about C, denoted to counting numbers. Counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And N is a natural number like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. After that, we talk about Z, integers, numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and negative 1, negative 2, and so on. In prep 1, we talk about new set is Q, denoted to rational numbers. Q is a rational number, so any number can be expressed as A over B and B not equal 0. So we will talk about cube root. In prep 1, we talk about square root and denoted by this sign. Now we will talk about cube root denoted by cube root, this sign. Okay? When we have an equation like solve each of the following equations in Q, we know that Q means rational numbers. Okay, number 1, 40 x power 3 minus 1 equals negative 136. Okay, here we have x power 3 and minus 1 and 40 multiplied by x power 3. Number 1, we will take negative 1 to the other side by inverse operation. So it means 40x power 3 equals negative 136 plus 1, because negative 1 to the other side by the inverse operation, so we will put plus 1. Okay, 40x power 3 equals negative 136 plus 1 equals negative 135. Step number 2, we have 40 x power 3 equal negative 135. 40 multiply x power 3. So we will take 40 multiply to the other side by inverse operation. So we will put divide 40. So x power 3 equals negative 135 divided 40. By using calculator, we will write negative 135 divided 40 equals negative 27 over 8. So the answer here, x power 3 equals negative 27 over 8. X power 3 equals negative 27 over 8. To get x only, we will put the other side cube root negative 27 over 8. So the inverse of power 3 is cube root. By using calculator, shift and square root, cube root. Okay, cube root negative 27 over 8 equals negative 3 over 2. So the answer here, x equal negative 3 over 2. So the solution set is negative 3 over 2, because negative 3 over 2 belong to Q. Okay? Now we need to talk about the inverse operations. If we have an equation plus, so to the other side with negative, other side positive, by divided by power 2 square root to the other side power 2, power 3 to the other side cube root. If we have cube root, the other side with power 3. Okay, if we have root to the power 5, other side to power 5 and power 5 and so on. Okay, if we have root a power 2, root a power 2, it's remark from prep 1, so we will cancelling square root and the power 2, and answer will be a, or absolute a. Okay, if we have square root or cube root a power 3, the answer will be cancelling cube root with power 3, answer will be a only. Okay, if we have cube root a power 6 or general cube root a power n, what will we do here? Okay, the concept is a as it is and power n. Cube root means over 3 in the power, like if we have cube root a power 6, so a as it is power 6 over 3 in the power, so equals a power 2. Okay, let's talk about another example. If we have 27 x power 3 minus 2 equal 62. Number 1, negative 2 to the other side with plus 2. So 27 x power 3 equals 62 plus 2. 27 x power 3 equals 62 plus 2 equals what? Equals 64. Okay, 27 multiply x power 3, 27 multiply to the other side, x power 3 equals 64 divide 27. So x power 3 equals what? Calculator, 64 divide 27 equals what? As it is 64 over 27. Okay, we have x power 3 equals 64 over 27. Power 3 to the other side with what? With cube root. So x equal cube root 64 over 27. By using calculator, shift root cube root 64 over 27 equals 4 over 3. So the answer is x equal 4 over 3. The question here, NQ. Ask myself a question. 4 over 3 belongs to Q or not? Yeah, belong to Q. So the solution set equals what? Equals 4 over 3. Okay.